Namaste.
My name's Daksh.
My name's Tushan.
And for today's Kiddo's Kitchen, we're going to make a healthy bowl. I don't know the name of it yet, but while in the video, I'll name it. So why I'm making this healthy bowl is because due to this coronavirus, people are like not active. They're staying home, they're eating junk food and stuff like that. So I was thinking, why shouldn't we make a healthy food? So for today's Kiddo's Kitchen, we're making that. For this healthy bowl, what it's mainly made out of is like dried fruit, seeds, and oats. So now I'll start telling you by the ingredients. So we have cranberry, we have almonds, we have cashew nuts, we have peanuts, we have dried papaya, we have chia seeds, we have flax seeds, we have pumpkin seeds, we have white and black sesame seeds. We also have butter over here with some pitted dates and 2 cups at least of instant oats, or you can use rolled oats. All of the stuffs have a few benefits, like for like all the nuts, they have lots of fiber and protein. Like this flax seeds, it has like lots of omega-3, because if you don't like have fish a lot, then you can have flax seeds. Also with rolled oats or instant oats, they both have lots of fiber, and it's what you call protein. It also has protein. Chia seeds, they have what you call, they're low in calories, and they're good in fiber. To start with the preparation for the healthy bowls, we'll dry roast everything except cranberry and pitted dates. Why is because the cranberry and pitted dates are like the joining elements. Once the pan is heated, we'll put the oats in. Always keep it on medium flame, and keep an eye on if it's gonna burn, because you need to continuously mix the oats. The oats are roasted, it should turn into a light brown type of color. Now we'll just put all the nuts. And then after that, we'll mix it well, nuts in. Keep mixing well and leave the flame low. Now I'll put all the seeds, and while putting the seeds, keep mixing it. Stir it well also. Make sure like the nuts stay bottom and on top also. The most important thing about this is that you should like roast it, not burn it. Now I can feel the aroma. So after that, we'll turn off the flame, and we'll keep it cool. So, but before we keep it cool, we'll put the cranberry, the dried papaya, and the pitted dates, because we want to make them soft. After that, after it's cooled down, then we'll put it into the grinder, and we'll grind it to make it like a coarse powder, not like a fine powder, a coarse powder. Now I'll off the flame, and I'll put the rest of the stuff, like the pitted dates and the cranberry and the dried papaya. After that, I'll close the lid make it cool down, and also mix it well. So many colors. Okay, that's overfilled. Now put the lid on. While leaving it cool, we should not leave it like a very long period of time. We should make it a little warm, okay? Because if we make it very cool, it will be very hard to bind together. So leave it warm a little bit. Now put the ingredients into the jar to grind it. Now it's ready to grind. Now I have grinded it. As you can see, it's like not a fine powder, it's like a coarse powder, because you can see like little bits of pieces of cranberry and nuts and stuff like that. So after that, I'll put it into this bowl over here, all of this. Now it's ready. So it's kind of hard. So to make a bind together, we will add some butter. After that, we will mix it well. Now, as you can see, it's ready. So we'll. It's kind of hot for my hands, so I will ask my parents' help to make it as a bowl. Now, just to show you guys, this is how the bowl should look like after you made it. And since there's a lot to make, I'll take my parents' hand. Now the bowls are ready. I'll put them in the plate. So this is the end of today's video for Kiddo's Kitchen. We made around 40 bowls with only 2 cups of oats. We also used 1 cup for every single dry fruit and the nuts. And the seeds are like around 2 tablespoons. So I also thought of the name for it. And what I named it was the Healthy Snack Bowls. And I want to add one more thing. You know the airtight containers? If you put them into the airtight containers, you can leave it in the fridge for like around a couple of weeks.
Mine wasn't sweet. I need to try it. Yummy.
So how is it?
Good.
Out of 10? Like the last time?
Yeah, out of 10.
You get 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, let me try. Wow.
Yes, huh? Oh, I feel like power. Oh, I feel like power.
This is the end. I hope you like our recipe. Please subscribe, like this video, and also comment down below your
And hit
score.
that little bell.
Comment down below your score before this monster says anything else. Stay home,
Stay home,
stay safe,
stay safe,
and stay healthy
stay healthy
with this.
with this.